how to fix App Store missing on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such issue where your App Store is being missing, so first thing, whenever you try to remove your application from over here, and for some case you can easily find that particular application that is your App Store by simply heading over to search bar and simply searching for App Store, because that states you that you have removed it from your home screen and not from your app library. But if you cannot find it anywhere, even after searching it or even on your App Store, then what you can do is just head over to your device's settings, and once you're inside your settings, simply scroll all the way down until you see the option screen time. So simply select it, and now scroll again and find this option that is restriction, content and privacy restriction. Just tap on that and make sure you have enabled this one, that is content and privacy restriction option. And now simply come back and just tap on this iTunes and App Store purchases, and make sure you have selected this installing apps to allow. If you haven't selected this to allow, just come over here and just select this allow from don't allow. So once you do all of that, you should now face or see your App Store being available on your home screen, just like that. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.